Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to continue learning about maps. And today you're just going to listen. You don't need to do any workbook pages today. You're just going to listen to the video, and I'm going to read some things to you about maps. All right, so what is a map? What objects are in your classroom? There may be desks and chairs. There may even be a rug. Not this year's. Usually there is a rug, though. How can you show where all these things are? You can use a map. What other things can you show on a map? So look, this is the table and the chairs and the easel. So those are all different things in this classroom. All right. A place looks different from above. So just like I talked about yesterday, when we look at maps, you're always looking as if you're floating above. A plane flies above Earth. The people look down. They can see land, water, and buildings. They can see the tops of trees. Places look different from above. A classroom would look different from above, too. What would you see if you looked down on your Sorry about that. A classroom would look different from above, too. What would you see if you looked down on your classroom? So, look, we're looking above and we see the tops of kids' heads. We see their desks and chairs and their name tags and their books. All right. A map is a drawing of a place. A map is a flat drawing of a place. It may show what a place looks like from above. Some maps show land, water, and mountains. Some show countries and cities. Some maps show rooms. What would a map of your classroom look like? So it looks like here's the computer desk and the round tables. This is the same map we looked at yesterday of Miss Hutchinson's room. The waste paper basket, that was the bookshelf and the teacher's desk, and here are all the kids' desks. All right, a map has symbols. Symbols are pictures that stand for objects. A classroom map has symbols. The symbols stand for objects in the classroom. You can draw a circle for a table. You can draw a square for a desk. What other symbols can you draw on the classroom map? All right, a map has a key. A map key helps you read a map. The key shows each symbol on the map. Each symbol has a name. Use this key to find things on this classroom map. How many student desks are there? Oh, well, okay, so here's the student desk. And then let's count them so I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's how many student desks there are. There are 12. Where is the door in the classroom? Well, here's the door. On the symbol of the door is that little slanted line, and here's the door in the front of the room. What else can you use the key to find? Well, look, we can see the round tables, the cabinet, the teacher's desk, the student's desk, the wastebasket, the rectangular table, and the computer. A compass rose shows directions. We talked about that in the Brain Pop video, remember, from Monday? You can use a compass rose to find directions on a map. See the 4 letters? They stand for the directions north. So here's north. South. South is down at the bottom. East and west. Directions tell you where things are. So the cabinet is north of the teacher's desk. So here's the teacher's desk, and above it or north, see how the N tells you, is the cabinet. What directions are the students' desks from the door? Well, here's the door, and here's the student desk. So you're going down, so you know you're going S, south. And remember what the Brain Pop video said to remember? You remember never eat soggy waffles. All right, 6. There are different kinds of maps. A classroom map is just one kind of map. Other maps show different things. A road map shows highways and streets. A physical map shows land and water areas. A political map shows borders and big cities. What kind of maps have you seen? So we saw the classroom maps. And then in the first day, we looked at the map of the zoo and the road map with the highways. And then look, this is a big physical map and it shows land and water all over the world. And then a political map would show borders and big cities. All right, so here's the end. A map is a drawing that shows where things are. Maps have symbols, a map key, and a compass rose. Different kinds of maps show you different things. Now, tomorrow we're going to be practicing drawing a map of our classroom or what you can remember from our classroom. Now, if you want to take this even further, a fun thing you could do is go up to your room and imagine you're above your room and draw a map. You could make the bed, your desk, if you have shelves, and you could even color it. All right, well, have fun. If you make that map, you decide to do that, you should send it to your teacher. I bet you they would be really impressed. I know I would be.